Hello everyone, it's me, Louis Corpuz. Today we are gonna walk. Usually we walk there from Middle Quarry, we're going there. But now, we're gonna be passing here. We're gonna circle around going there to town. So, let's go walk. More blessings to all of us. Thank you for watching. So hello everyone, we're gonna walk. Let's pack our bags. Wear our bag. This will be a long walk from Middle Quarry. Let's drink a little water. Because we're gonna be walking there. We're gonna circle around this. Thank you. Let's go. Wait, okay. Before we go, let's do a little kickboxing and Muay Thai training. So, here, we're gonna throw a jab, overhand, bam, and then elbow. Sige ma, ikawin mo lang ta. Throw a jab, overhand, and then elbow. There. So let's start walking. More blessings to all of us. Usually we go here to the left, but now we're going here to the right. Here, usually we go there, but we're gonna go here. Let's go. So we are now here going to Lourdes. We're gonna go up there. Going down to Palma. So we are going down here. Welcome to Lower Lourdes. So we are going down there. This is going to Nagilian. So let's go down here. We came from there, Middle Quarry. Middle Quarry. There. Usually I walk from our house going there. Now we are passing here. Or we're gonna walk here. So look at that. Baguio City is so beautiful. There's another construction there. That's UC, University of the Cordilleras. It's very near our house. So there. We're gonna walk there. Let's go. There. Oh, there's a buffet here. There are also transient houses there, Lynn's Transient House. nice. So we are going here. Going up there is like the shortcut going to Nagilian. There. Okay, we are already here in what's that? Oh, it's a big building. Queen of Peace Road. So this is now Queen of Peace Road. Peace Road. Lourdes Subdivision Extension Barangay. So, oh, nice. Apartment and transient house. So hello everyone, that's it for now. Thank you for watching and joining me here. I'm gonna go walk home now. Thank you, let's go.